Construction projects, whether large-scale renovations or smaller home improvement jobs, can leave behind a significant amount of debris. From broken tiles and scraps of wood to piles of drywall and concrete remnants, the aftermath of construction can be overwhelming to deal with. The good news is that a junk removal company in Austin can make the cleanup process easier, faster, and more efficient. If you're planning a construction project, here's how hiring a professional junk removal service can help with your construction debris cleanup. Efficient and timely cleanup. One of the most significant benefits of hiring a junk removal company for construction debris is the speed and efficiency with which the job gets done. Construction sites can accumulate piles of debris quickly, and it can take hours, if not days, for property owners or contractors to handle the cleanup themselves. Professional junk removal companies in Austin specialize in clearing large amounts of waste in a fraction of the time it would take a non-professional to tackle the job. These companies often have dedicated teams and specialized equipment that can handle everything from heavy concrete to small scraps of metal or wood. Their knowledge of how to safely and efficiently remove debris ensures that your site remains clear, allowing work to continue or your property to be ready for use sooner. Proper disposal and recycling. Another important advantage is the proper disposal and recycling of construction waste. Construction materials are not only heavy and difficult to remove, but they can also be hazardous or challenging to dispose of without the right knowledge. A junk removal service ensures that all debris is handled responsibly. Many companies in Austin adhere to environmentally friendly practices, sorting through the materials and recycling as much as possible. Instead of simply hauling everything to a landfill, a professional junk removal company will evaluate the waste and determine what can be recycled or repurposed. Items like wood, metal, drywall, and concrete can often be recycled into new materials, reducing the environmental impact of your construction project. By choosing a junk removal service with an emphasis on sustainability, you can feel confident that your debris is being disposed of in an eco-friendly way. Safety and liability. Construction sites can be dangerous, especially when debris is scattered around. Sharp nails, broken glass, and heavy materials pose a significant safety risk to workers, homeowners, and visitors to the property. Attempting to clear this debris without the proper training or equipment can lead to injuries and even accidents. Professional junk removal companies are trained to safely remove all types of construction debris. They know the best practices for lifting heavy objects, handling hazardous materials, and avoiding potential hazards. By hiring a junk removal company, you eliminate the risk of injury and reduce your liability, giving you peace of mind throughout the cleanup process. Cost-effective. While it may seem like an added expense to hire a junk removal company, in the long run, it can be more cost-effective than trying to manage the cleanup yourself. Renting dumpsters, purchasing the necessary tools, and taking time away from your own work can add up quickly. Additionally, if you don't have experience removing debris, you could end up causing damage to your property or to other structures on the site. Hiring a junk removal service means you won't have to deal with any hidden costs. A professional company will provide an upfront quote, and you'll know exactly what to expect. They'll also handle all the logistics, saving you time and energy that could be better spent on other aspects of your construction project. Customizable services for your needs. Construction debris cleanup is not a one-size-fits-all service. The needs of your project will vary depending on the scale of the construction, the types of materials used, and the amount of waste generated. Junk removal companies in Austin offer customizable services to meet these unique needs. Whether you're dealing with a small renovation or large-scale construction job, a professional junk removal service can tailor their services to suit your project. Some companies offer same-day or next-day services, and many can work around your schedule to ensure that cleanup doesn't interfere with the ongoing work. Conclusion. In conclusion, hiring a junk removal company in Austin for construction debris cleanup can make your life easier in more ways than one. They'll handle the heavy lifting, provide efficient and timely service, dispose of waste responsibly, and ensure that your site is safe for continued work. The expertise, convenience, and cost-effectiveness they offer make them an invaluable resource for any construction project. So, the next time you're preparing for a renovation or construction project, consider reaching out to a junk removal service to help you clear the way for progress.